Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with access and backups. You need Windows Admin and SQL Server sysadmin privileges so changes persist. Once connected in SSMS, make a fresh backup of master, MSDB, and model. This prevents recovery headaches. Next, check the current server name with select ATAT server name so you know the baseline. Then, stop any non-essential services or jobs to avoid locks. Finally, open a new query window and prepare to run the rename commands. This begins the active change. You now perform the rename. Run SB drop server old name to remove the old entry. Make sure old name matches, select ATAT server name output. Once dropped, execute SB add server new name, local to register the new machine name as local. Make sure to substitute your exact DNS/NetBIOS name. After those commands succeed, restart the SQL Server service. The restart is required for ATAT server name to reflect new name. If clustered or availability groups exist, pause and coordinate those steps first. You finish by verifying. Run select ATAT server name and query sys. Servers to confirm new name is present. Once confirmed, review logins. Orphan logins often appear after a rename. Use SB change users login or alter login with SID to remap them. Make sure linked servers and jobs reference the new name and update connection strings. If you still see the old name, restart the service again and validate the Windows computer name and DNS. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most persistent mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.